Welcome back to Life on Greenwood. This is going to be a little different today. This video is going to be a soft whispered, is it like ASMR? Maybe like ASMR, but it's going to be a soft spoken or whispered video in my garden. Because look at these cute little yellow birds. This is the first thing I saw this morning. I woke up at I think it was like 5:30 in the morning, and this is what I saw. These cute little birds. Now, I'm a city girl, so I really didn't know what they were. I thought canaries, maybe, but no. Canaries, I think, are all yellow. But anyway, I later found out that they are called finches, and these in particular are called American goldfinch. American goldfinch. And they are enjoying my sunflowers. These sunflowers I grew from seed over the winter. Myself and Little Garden Girl. Little Garden Girl is my great niece, and if you checked my videos previously, you would have seen her out in the yard and in the garden, planting, helping out, moving rocks, creating garden beds. She is really good at that, and she's 8 years old, and she's been doing it for a couple years now. She really likes it. But this is Life on Greenwood. And if you're enjoying the content, please, by all means, hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. But look at these goldfinches. They are beautiful. They are absolutely enjoying these sunflowers. Absolutely enjoying the sunflowers. They have been out here. When I woke up, I think like 5:30, and I looked out about 7 o'clock, and there they were. I think there's like 3 of them in the yard, and they are going at these sunflowers. They are absolutely beautiful. I am always in awe of nature and God's creatures. Look at these. You know, I heard that, once you started planting all these flowers in your garden, that you could expect all kinds of nature. And these are absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And they seem to really like these sunflowers. Now they went back to my red rose garden, where I have some yellow dahlias. They seem to be flying around, these yellow dahlias as well. And everything in that particular flower bed is all from seed that I started over the winter. All these flowers are from seed. And these goldfinches seem to be loving it. Thumbs up to the video. Guys, if you have a garden, look, that's my rock garden back there, and the finches seem to be liking that as well. I am always in awe of God's creatures in nature. It's a beautiful thing. And since I've had this garden, I've seen so many things in this garden. Birds, butterflies, all kinds of insects. And let's not talk about the flowers. They are absolutely doing their thing this year. So, as I said, those birds are called American goldfinch. American goldfinch. American goldfinch. And they're absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. not more than 15 minutes later, I'm still trying to eat breakfast, and this is what I saw on my deck. Isn't that beautiful? It's beautiful. I didn't know what it was. I thought it was a moth at first because I saw a huge moth on my front a couple of days ago. But this thing is a yellow beauty. It's a yellow beauty. I had to Google it. It turns out it is a swallowtail butterfly. Swallowtail butterfly. And sometimes they have like different colors like at the bottom, but this one is called a swallowtail butterfly. It has graced me this morning while I have my breakfast. A swallowtail butterfly. Look at that. And I have to tell you that I was watching this thing for about 7 minutes straight while I was trying to eat. I didn't have my tripod, so I was trying to hold the phone and eat at the same time. And it just sat there and just fluttered a little bit. But it didn't fly away for like 7 minutes. It just sat there. I was wondering, well, is it laying eggs or what? Is it laying eggs? I went out later on and checked the chair out, and I didn't see anything on it, but I was really wondering, well, maybe it just stopped over to get a rest, like on its way somewhere else, and it just needed a little layover. So, guys, thumbs up the content as well if you like more whispered content in the garden. So I'm out there all the time. This time of year, I'm in the garden a lot. But as I said, this swallowtail butterfly was really, really enjoying my deck. And it just sat there and sat there and sat there like it was taking in the garden. If you look closely, you might be able to see it like fluttering a little bit. I don't know. But isn't that spectacular? I tell you, I'm always in awe of God's creatures. And I've been seeing so many different creatures in my yard. 2-legged, 4-legged, crawling, flying. Oh, that's me. Trying to eat my breakfast. So what am I having for breakfast? I had some leftover egg whites with spinach, red and green peppers, and onions. It was delicious. Along with a English muffin. So that was leftover. I didn't even put it on the plate. I just warmed it up. And c'est la vie. But eating, looking out my backyard, and still seeing this swallowtail butterfly just sitting there. I tell you guys, it was a good 7 minutes. It's so beautiful. I mean, yeah, as I said, have you stopped and just taken the time to enjoy the beautiful things around you? Trees, birds, insects, the flowers. God, that reminds me of a song by Earth, Wind, and Fire. Earth, Wind, and Fire. Wind and Fire. It's called All About Love. All About Love. I favorite songs. Oh my God. Every time I hear that song, it just really, really almost makes me cry. Check it out. Earth, Wind, and Fire, all about love. I don't know what year it came out, but you know, when Earth, Wind, and Fire was really popular. It's a slow song, and it just talks about loving yourself and the beauty that's around you. If there ain't no beauty, you gotta make some beauty. Have mercy. That's one of my favorite lines from the song. Anyway, I'm getting nostalgic. But welcome back to Life on Greenwood, everyone. This is a little unusual for me to do a soft whisper garden show. But these things in nature, it just kind of called for that. Just to sit back and enjoy what God has to offer. Look at that. So, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm usually in the yard talking about my flowers and doing lawn care, thrifting, and doing stuff around the house, and talking about lifestyle after 60. That appeals to you, by all means, hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. And if you like some more whispered content, put the word whisper in your comment. Put the word whisper in your comment. And maybe we'll do some more whispered gardening. Thank you so, so much. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.